lists are HTML elements that allows us to handle array of data in the way that is the best for us. There are three different types of lists in HTML. There are unordered lists, ordered lists, and description lists. So what are unordered lists? Unordered lists are HTML elements that allows us to handle data in an ordered way. So basically we can use unordered lists in cases where order of our elements in list is not important. So our elements will not be numerically or alphabetically ordered. Unordered list starts with the UL start tag and ends up with UL end tag. Elements of lists we represent through li HTML elements. For unordered lists, there are three different shapes that we can define with the type HTML attribute, and that shapes will be displayed like a bullet in the front of our list elements. So they are square, disc, and circle. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.